Make a great choice today with the 2011 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, Bose sound system, remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.